Good afternoon, boys and girls. Now it's time for a quick little math lesson, and I'm going to review telling time to the hour, which is what you should have practiced and learned in first grade. So here's our clock, and let's remember that the numbers on the clock are worth 5. They're in 5-minute increments, so this is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this would be 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, I'm going to write 60 really small because when we tell time, we actually put it as ... okay, but it is worth 60. There are 2 hands on the clock. The small hand counts the hour, and I always try to give a hint. The word hour is small, it only has 4 letters, so the hour hand is the smaller hand on the clock. And the bigger hand is called the minute hand, and because the word minute has many more letters than hour, it needs a longer hand. And again, the hour hand counts the hours, and the minute hand counts all the minutes it takes for the minute hand to go around. Now, in order for, let's just choose a time. Okay. So, when you tell time, you look for the hour hand first, which is pointing to the 3, so it's the small hand. So we write 3. And then we look at where the big hand is, the minute hand. And if it's straight up at the 12, it's o'clock. It's 00. So this clock would be showing 3 o'clock. Now please remember, it takes 1 whole rotation, 60 minutes, for this hour hand to move to the next number. And our clock moves in this direction. Okay? And in between each of these numbers is 5 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So these are worth 5 minutes. But remember, it takes the clock 1 whole hour. This big hand, minute hand, has to go around the clock 1 whole time, 60 minutes, for our hour hand to go to the next number. Now you should have learned this in first grade, so that was a quick review. If I had a clock up here and I asked you, what time is this? Okay, so first you're going to look at the hour hand, which is the small hand, which is the 7. Okay, and then we're going to look at where the big hand is. It's at the 12, and we know that in telling time, that's written 00. So this clock is showing us 7 o'clock. Okay, so let's try another one. And right now, I don't think you need to label the numbers because right now we're just focusing on o'clock. So if our clock looked like this, we're going to start with our hour hand. So 9, and we're at o'clock. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to draw some pictures of some clocks with time on it, and I would like you to just write the answers in your notebook, and I will send your parents what the form should look like. And we're practicing just o'clocks today. Tomorrow we'll move on to half past or 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good afternoon.